Welcome to Ledger Shift AR. Today, we're diving into a very critical topic every forward-thinking finance leader must understand right now. AI tools are reshaping accounting, creating a massive tension between legacy workflows and the future of intelligent finance. It's a fundamental tension between the relentless drive for efficiency and the non-negotiable standard of professional rigor. We're warned about a new generation of so-called lazy accountants, perceived as lacking the deep technical expertise that once defined the profession. Lazy doesn't mean working fewer hours. It signals a far more dangerous erosion of judgment, ownership, and professional rigor. These tools could be quietly eroding the professional judgment and skepticism that underpin the integrity and credibility of our work. Today, we'll break down the AI paradox and expose the real, growing risks of algorithmic atrophy across the accounting profession. We're going to build a robust framework for accountability and define what the future of the accounting profession truly looks like. First, let's be honest. The temptation of AI is real because the gains it delivers can be fundamentally transformational. We're talking about a 70% reduction in month-end close time, accelerating the entire process to close the books a full week faster. With compliance errors potentially being slashed by 90%, the return on investment for a chief financial officer is a no-brainer. That's why this shift is accelerating at an unprecedented pace, with a reported 41% of firms adopted AI in just 1 year alone. But here's the heart of the paradox. Extreme efficiency comes at the cost of cognitive engagement and professional judgment. When we delegate reasoning to AI, we risk eroding our ability to critically evaluate, challenge, and ultimately trust its outputs. Experts call this algorithmic atrophy, the gradual erosion of critical thinking, judgment, and core professional skills over time. Think of it like a skepticism muscle. Without constant use, it becomes weak, dulling your ability to question and challenge. This can lead to cognitive offloading, where the heavy mental lifting is gradually shifted from the professional onto the tool. It's efficient, but it fosters shallow thinking, which can lead to eroding our understanding of the why behind the how. AI is uniquely dangerous because it is engineered to bypass our natural skepticism and lower our critical guard. AI doesn't just make mistakes, it presents them with unshakable confidence, making them dangerously easy to trust. A junior accountant may often show hesitation through awkward phrasing or gaps in logic that act as natural signals for deeper review and scrutiny. But AI produces perfectly structured, grammatically flawless, and highly fluent output that can still be fundamentally wrong. This fluent uncertainty short-circuits the very review processes and professional safeguards we've relied on for decades. This fluent uncertainty short-circuits the very review processes and professional safeguards we've relied on for decades. Then there's the Sycophancy Effect, where AI reinforces our existing beliefs, even when those beliefs are fundamentally wrong. It tells us what it thinks we want to hear by directly undermining the discipline of professional skepticism. So how do we resolve this paradox? How do we capture the full efficiency gains without the cost of cognitive atrophy? It's not about banning the tools. It's about building a deliberate, structured framework that enforces accountability. Leaders must understand the reliability paradox. AI delivers consistency, but introduces new, often invisible risks. We face hallucinations and the black box problem, where the reasoning behind outputs is unclear and difficult to validate. You're trading one set of risks for another, and your control framework must evolve to effectively manage them. Leading firms are intentionally reintroducing deliberate friction into their workflows to reinforce control and critical thinking. 3 controls are essential. First, a mandatory judgment check embedded at key decision points in the workflow. Require the human to explicitly articulate and document their reasoning in their own words before using AI. Second is workings transparency. Every output must include fully documented prompts and source references for validation. This creates a clear, traceable audit trail by transforming hidden dependence into transparent, structured, and supervised practice. Finally, use AI as a red team, challenging it to identify gaps, risks, and blind spots in your human reasoning. Instead of asking for the answer, use it to rigorously challenge and stress test your strongest position and assumptions. This framework builds toward a more powerful, future-ready vision of the modern accounting professional. The goal isn't just to survive AI, is to deliberately leverage it to elevate the entire accounting profession. The future is no longer AI versus humans. It's a new class of AI-augmented professionals driving smarter decisions. This will fundamentally reshape the structure of our firms, moving away from the traditional pyramid toward a more agile, expertise-driven model. We're moving toward a diamond-shaped structure with a broad middle of tech-savvy experts driving execution and insight. These experts manage, interpret, and rigorously challenge AI to extract high-value, actionable strategic insights. As you roll out these tools, you must make a fundamental choice that will shape your organization's future. Are you building truly AI-augmented professionals who can think critically, challenge AI outputs, and lead with judgment? Or are you simply building faster processors that are highly efficient, but at real risk of losing their strategic and professional value? Your answer will ultimately define the future of your organization and help shape the future of the entire profession. Don't let the draft become the truth. Stay disciplined, question outputs, and keep your judgment razor sharp. Treat AI as a sparring partner that challenges your thinking, not as an answer machine you blindly trust. The most valuable accountants will be those who deliberately train, strengthen, and double down on their judgment muscles. Don't let the fear distract you. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep yourself in the loop. Thanks for watching.